Welcome to the Pots of Hope Challenge, a sustainability team-building adventure that combines creativity, collaboration, and eco-consciousness. In this exciting challenge, participants will roll their sleeves, grab saplings and pots, and let their green thumbs shine. Together, we'll plant the seeds of change, nurture them with care, and watch as our creations blossom into something beautiful. Form teams with defined roles to enhance engagement and teamwork. Unleash your creativity by painting and personalizing your pots, making each one a unique symbol of sustainability. Plant saplings in your beautifully designed pots, nurturing them to showcase the power of teamwork and environmental stewardship. Compete in a fun, eco-friendly showdown to see which team can best showcase their creativity and commitment to sustainability. Join us in the Pots of Hope Challenge, where eco-consciousness meets creativity and teamwork takes root in a meaningful, hands-on experience. Let's make Mother Nature proud together.